Oman, get excited. We're gonna have an open house. I'm coming with the product managers to our branch in Ruwi to demo and launch our 3.2 Vista roll-to-roll UV printer. We're gonna demo this at our demo center, in our new demo center in our Ruwi branch. So make sure not to miss this opportunity. It's on October 29th and 30th. And not only will you see the launch of this great printer, which is going to be able to print on so many materials at a very low cost per square meter. We're going to be there with all the product managers. We're going to demo and show you many of the latest products for signage and display. We're going to show you the latest LED products from Agilite for signage. We're going to show you a lot of the new sheeting products from Astari, PETG. So don't miss this opportunity. You're going to see a lot of the other equipment on show. So all our customers around the Sultanate, whether you're in Salalah, Sohar, Mabella, please make it a point to come for our open house, 29th and 30th. I look forward to seeing you all there, and thank you very much.